10 men can complete a work in 8 days and 10 women can complete the same work in 12 days. How many days will 3 men and 6 women take to complete the same work? Before we solve the question, I hope that you have already watched all the concept videos on time and work plus the model questions on time and work. In case if you haven't watched it, I've given the links of all the concepts and the model questions in the description. So do watch all those videos and get a clear picture of how we are going to utilize those tricks and traits in these questions. So as we can see in the question, there are multiple men and multiple women involved in the work, right? So first let's use the chain rule and find out how much time will it be taken for one man to do the job and one woman to do the job. So 10 men can complete a work in 8 days, which means one man can complete the same job in 10 multiplied by 8, that's going to be 80 days. Similarly, 10 women can complete the job in 12 days of time, which means one woman will complete the job in 120 days, right? So since we have got this information, we can just move on with the three-step approach. So first of all, let's find out the LCM of 80 and 120, and using the LCM shortcut, we can find out that it's 240, right? So the total number of units to be completed is 240 units, right? So let's move on to the step number 2, where we need to find out the number of units completed by a man in 1 day and the women in 1 day. So a man can complete 240 units in 80 days of time, right? So how many units can he complete in 1 day? So 240 upon 80, that's going to be 3 units per day. Similarly, a woman can complete the same 240 units in 120 days of time. So 240 divided by 120, a woman can complete 2 units per day, right? So step number 2 is also done. Now moving on to the step number 3, which is proceed as per the question. They would like us to find out how many days will it take for 3 men and 6 women to complete the job, right? So one man can complete 3 units per day. So 3 men will be completing 9 units per day. 1 woman can complete 2 units per day, which means 6 women can contribute 12 units per day. So on the whole, this group of workers will be completing 21 units per day, right? Now let's find out how long will they take to do the job. So in each day, 21 units are done and the total number of units to be completed is 240. So how long will they take? 240 divided by 21. And if we try to simplify this, we are going to get 80 divided by 7, and that can be simplified probably as 11 3 upon 7 days. So we have the answer in option A.